Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a different version of meatloaf. I've made meatloaf in the past on this channel, but today I'm doing something different. I've seen where you use stovetop stuffing and brown gravy mix, and that's basically the two main ingredients. And then obviously you need egg, and then I'm going to add onion, and it doesn't call for it, but I've always added milk, so I'm going to do half a cup of milk. And then some garlic powder and onion powder. So I'm going to show you how I assemble that. So right here I have a little over a pound of ground beef. And the recipe calls for 1.5 pounds, but this is what I have, so I'm working with it. It'll be fine. To this, I'm going to pour in a bag of savory herb stuffing mix. You can use whatever kind you like. It calls for chicken, but I thought this would taste better. I'll put that in there. And then a packet of brown gravy mix. This is going to give it a little bit more sodium because without it, it's not going to be very flavorful, I guess you could say. And then I'm going to add in 1 egg. Half a cup of milk, and I'm going to do a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then right here I have some finely diced onion that I diced in my veggie chopper. I don't know if I want to add all. This is half an onion. I'm just going to add it all. So everything's in here. I'm going to mix this together thoroughly. So I have the meatloaf mixed together, and it's forming pretty nicely already. It's pretty tiny because it is only a little over a pound, but that's fine. So I'm going to form this and set it in my slow cooker. Alright, and then I think I might add some carrots around it. So I have some chopped up carrots. They were baby ones, and I just chopped them up a little smaller, just so they'll cook nicely. That's all I'm going to do, and then I'm going to add a ketchup glaze over top. That is a mixture of ketchup and a little brown sugar and Worcestershire. Right here I have the ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and just a few little squirts of the Worcestershire. I didn't measure the ketchup, it's probably like a half a cup, and then like a half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just going to lay this right over. Okay. So that's done. I already have it on low. I'm going to cover this and let it cook for probably 6 to 7 hours, and I'll see you when it's done and ready to serve. This is the finished product. I forgot to film it when I first took it out, but this is what it's looking like, and I just made some chicken gravy to put on top, and my husband thinks it's weird. But I just made veggies with it. And
it tastes good.
So it still tastes good. It's not my favorite kind of meatloaf. but that's how you make that meatloaf. If you're willing to try it, it's okay. So just please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.